Today I will show you how you can take a screenshot image of your screen. Ever wanted to take a clear image of your computer screen without having to use your phone camera? Here is how to do it. There are two ways you can do it. The first method is for full screen capture. All you have to do is to simply press the print screen button located next to F12. This will automatically take a full screen image and create a copy. Now all you have to do is paste it, with Ctrl and V, in your Word document or Windows Paint. The second method is for taking a screenshot of a selected area. First of all, make sure you have whatever you want to take a shot of visible on your screen. Then hold the Windows, Shift and the S button together. You can now select the section you want a screenshot image of by simply clicking and dragging a rectangle around it. There you have it. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.